everyone. I just wanted to get back on here and first of all just say thank you to everyone for your wonderful and beautiful comments, for encouraging me along this journey. Thank you to all my old subscribers. Thank you to all my new subscribers. You all are amazing. I appreciate you so much for your comments and for just your support. It's just been truly amazing and overwhelming, because this has been a hard process. And just knowing that there are other people out there going through the same thing I'm going through and that I'm able to help you all is truly, truly a blessing to me. So I'm just grateful. And I really just wanted to get on here and just say thank you so much and just give you an update. And thank you for all the blessings and safe travels and all that great stuff. It was a blessed trip. My sis had an amazing time. She said she had an epic birthday. We went to Atlanta, Georgia, which was my first time ever, and it was really fun, really nice. I enjoyed myself. I'm a very in the box kind of person, so they kind of got me out of my shell, and it was really good. So I'm just excited, and I just got back last night, late last night, and I had to work, and I just got off work, but I wanted to get on here and post a video and just give a quick update, hopefully nothing too long. Everything's been going good. I have been wearing adhesive, and the adhesive that I've been wearing is the Poly Grip powder adhesive. And to anybody out there looking for an adhesive, that is a thumbs up for me as of right now. It holds really good. Let me tell you how good it does hold. I went to Georgia, like I said, and for 2 days, I actually had them in my mouth with the adhesive. I took them out the first night, and then I put it back in the second night, and I didn't take it out. And I used the Polygrip, and I was able to keep them in for 2 days, literally, and was able to eat and everything like that. So that is awesome. I've also been able to eat a lot more than what I was. Still not everything I want to eat just yet, but so much more. I've been able to eat some chicken. Um, Fish is really good. I love fish, but fish, chicken, meatloaf, small burgers, nothing with like all the works and stuff like that. I've been able to eat some potato chips, stuff like that. Still working on the Slim Jims because I love my Slim Jims, so I'm trying to work that in there. So we will see how that goes. But anyway, so yeah, eating is going a lot better because my mouth is healing a lot more. I haven't had any pain. Um, since my last update. I haven't had any pain in like the past 2 weeks. I haven't taken any kind of medication, nothing. It's been good. It holds pretty good. I put it in this morning, before work. Well, a little later. I put it in around like 2, and it's 12. It's after midnight now, and it's still in there good and strong. And I had some pizza at work, a slice. And then I had this delicious brownie that they make at work, and it came with ice cream and all that other stuff. Well, it was ice cream with chocolate on top with a chocolate brownie. And I'm not a chocolate person. Well, I'm a chocolate person. I'm chocolate, y'all. But I don't really like chocolate. But you ladies know when it's like specific times you crave chocolate, and I've been craving chocolate and Coke and Dr. Pepper. And yeah, so it was amazing. And I ate that, and it was really good. So the eating is going really good, and I'm just looking forward to being able to eat more stuff. I feel a lot more confident in wearing my dentures and stuff like that. Like I said, I just have the top. I was supposed to go on the 30th to get the 2 back molars removed and get partials, but the dentist is actually not going to be in then. So they had requested for, well, not requested, but asked to reschedule it for this past Friday, but I went out of town. So they're going to do it on May the 7th. So hopefully that goes good and it's not a long process and the healing isn't long either, that this goes smooth sailing. So y'all please pray for me that everything goes just as good as it did with the top, that I'm not in any pain, that everything works out, and that eventually I'm able to eat again, because I probably won't be able to eat as much with the tube back and trying to get used to the partials in there. But those are the only two partials that I'll be having. So it won't be a full set or anything like that. It's just the two back, so you're not even going to be able to see them. But other than that, so kind of like a food update, what I'm able to eat. Pain tolerance is at a 0 right now, besides regular aches and pains that I get because I'm an old woman. Old woman. But anyway, I just want you all to know that it will get better. It does get better. It does take some time to get used to. It still hasn't even been a full month. May the 2nd will be a full month that I had them. And I'm still getting used to wearing them, feeling confident in them. But every day I'm becoming more and more confident. Every day I am smiling a little more. I'm just appreciative of everything in this journey and for everybody that supports me. And I just pray that you continue to support me and go on with me in this journey. And it truly blesses me to know that I'm able to bless someone else. And that's my goal, is to bless someone else, because there is so many people out here that talk about it on here. But I just want to be another light and another voice to remind you that it is okay. You're not alone. You are normal. There is nothing wrong with you. You are beautiful inside and out. Everybody has imperfections, and I don't consider this an imperfection. God created us the way He created us, and most of us have reasons that people don't understand or know about for why we had to get dentures in the first place. My story might not be the same as your story, and your story might not be the same as mine, but we all have a story, and some people cannot help the fact that they just were born with bad teeth like me. Genetics played a role, health issues played a role, and things like that. So it is what it is. But yeah, so I'm just really grateful, and I'm just appreciative, and I always want to show that appreciation. And just thank you so much, for everything else out there. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, any questions about anything, I had someone that asked me, if I had an overbite, and I actually do have an overbite. I'm hoping with my permanents I don't have an overbite, and I'm actually going to show you something, that I would just notice. Well, not just noticed, probably noticed like a week ago. But this side here sticks out further than this side. This side looks good. And so that's kind of bothering me, because it's like my smile is off a little. Yeah. So I'm going to see if there's anything they can do about that. But hopefully with my permanence it'll be a lot better. I'm praying so. And also I'll do a separate video on like how I was able to get my dentures and how God blessed, because I know there's people out there who are struggling financially, like myself. And it was truly a blessing how I was able to get them, and I want to share that with you all and see if maybe there's some kind of help that you can receive as well. But yeah, I'm saying a lot. I say in like a whole lot, so y'all just bear with me. Oh, but also I straightened my hair to go down there, y'all. I have to show y'all. My niece did such a great job, Taylin. I love her so much. She's in cosmetology school. And yes, she did that. It's a little frizzy and not as straight as it was because I was in Georgia and it rained, and then the humidity and all that good fun stuff. But my hair is growing, it's flourishing. I need to cut the ends because they need to go. Your girl needs to get it back on track. But anyway, that is besides the point and has nothing to do with this video at all. But this video is almost at 10 minutes and we are going to cut it. You need to cut it. I said cut it. You need to cut it. So I'm going to cut it. But anyway, so I know this video wasn't like too much of anything and just talking, but I just want to get on here, make a quick video and let you know some updates, when I'm able to eat, how I've been doing, building of confidence, and just being secure in myself and knowing who I am as a child of God, and just knowing who I am as an individual. And I just want to send out good vibes. I just want to send out good energy. And I pray that y'all return that in the same favor. Let's continue to uplift each other. Let's continue to pray for each other and just encourage each other. If there's anything that you're concerned about or you're afraid to talk about, if you want to talk about it in the comment section, please do. If not, follow me on my social media. I don't have a whole bunch, but I do have Facebook, which is Sherry Monique, and I will put that down in here as well. And then you can follow me on Instagram. You can DM me any questions or anything private that you want to discuss. And my Instagram will be down here as well. And that is Mo_Neek_77. And then I have Snapchat, which is Imami_77. And that will be down there as well. And like I said, the comment section is there as well. Let's just keep it good vibes, and encouraging each other like you've been doing. You're amazing. I'm amazing. We amazing. We in there, okay? So y'all continue to pray for me as I pray for you. I'm going to cut this video because it's too long of me just rambling about nothing, and I need to take my tail to bed. So I will see y'all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and put any comments down below that you have. Any questions, I will be more than glad to answer them best I can. And once again, don't forget to smile. Share a smile with a stranger. You never know what someone's going through, and you can be that blessing, that someone to keep them from going over the edge. We all need somebody in these days and times. So blessings to you. Pray that you're sending blessings my way, and I will see you in my next video. But before I go, let me leave you with a smile. Awesome. And I love you all, and I hope you love me too, because I love you as Christ loves you. And I'll see you in my next video. Deuces.